Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Good Times by American soul group Chic. The song featured on their third album, entitled Risque, which was released in 1979. The song was written and produced by Bernard Edwards and Nile Rodgers. Good Times can be considered a disco classic, and it has become one of the most sampled tunes in popular music history, most notably by the Sugar Hill Gang for their 1979 classic Rapper's Delight. Keyboard parts are an acoustic piano played by Robert Sabino and a Fender Rhodes played by Raymond Jones. I suggest you make a composite of the two, but the acoustic piano comes out the most dominant of the two instruments. The song is in the key of E minor. Song arrangement, basic chord sheet in the description box below. Here's how I might play it.